Hello guys. So when we had adopted Roger, we were actually thinking that it will help us for our it help us in the aspects of our health because we would have to take him out morning, noon and evening. But unfortunately what happened, in initial days when we had adopted him and we used to take him out for morning walks, don't know why, but all this, not only the street dogs but even the pets of others, they used to bark on him, and it had actually became a task, to protect Roger from them. And now when he has also grown up, I think he doesn't like them because most of the time he himself starts barking on them. So we don't really take him out very much, and really Roger has no friends. But finally today he found a friend, and thankfully he got along with him very well. So I'm very happy that my Roger finally found a friend.